In this video, you'll learn how to turn off dark mode in Bitget Wallet. By following these steps, you will switch your interface back to the light theme, enhancing visibility and comfort while using the application. Start by navigating to the Bitget website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Bitget. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once the Bitget homepage loads, locate the section labeled Beyond Crypto. This option is typically found in the main navigation area. Click on it to proceed to the next section of the site. After selecting Beyond Crypto, look for your profile icon, which is usually positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to access your account settings. Next, find the settings option in the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile. This will direct you to a page where you can customize various account settings. Click on Settings to continue. Once in the settings menu, you will see your profile information displayed. Click on the profile option again to access your preferences. This step is essential for modifying your appearance settings. Now find the dark mode option within the preferences section. This will typically be a toggle switch that allows you to change the theme of the application. Click on dark mode to access the toggle. Finally, click on the toggle to disable dark mode. The toggle should change position, indicating that the setting has been successfully updated. You may notice a brief loading indicator as the theme changes. Once completed, your interface will transition back to light mode. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.